Okay.
Yeah.
For LC, then I know that the title require that you have to buy a new title, and if you transfer from your name to the LC, right? Is that any way that you can avoid that, or any way that you don't need to buy a new title?
Okay, so I mean, obviously for liability purposes, I'll always advocate for title. I will say in my experience where clients have not opted for it, we've just transferred the property to LLC. It hasn't been an issue, but usually it's not an issue when they have until they sell their property. Yeah. So it just depends on how comfortable your clients are. In my experience, I haven't had any trouble. But again, yeah, we haven't had to ask clients to go to title yet.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
yeah. There is. Did I mention? I mentioned due on sale clauses previously a little bit, but one thing to understand that when you transfer to LLC, that is considered change of title or sale under most loans. So technically, the bank can call the loan when you transfer LLC. Practically speaking, I've never seen the bank do that. I've talked to some other attorneys. They say that they saw it happen one time, and it was because the bank was running out of money, and so they needed to call the loans to collect money and to use it for something else. But generally, do you have any mortgage people here, or you just do? Yeah, yeah.
So usually in those cases, it's just like a random audit, I would say. If they pick your file, or let's say if you don't make any payment on time whatsoever, then they're gonna look into that and they can do on sale or acceleration cost. Then they can take out the money, and either you have to sell the house, refinance, or I don't know, borrow enough money to pay them back. But it's not happening like all the time. But we always recommend that the client should not do that before they pay off the loan, because you don't want to take that risk.
Yeah, and you never know. Like each bank is different, right? Yeah, yeah. So I always tell the client, like, there's always the risk that the loan could be called.
Most likely, it's in the case that you don't make payment on time. That is where they're gonna look at your cases, your file, your payment, your title, whatsoever.
Yeah. So I usually tell them the bank usually don't care unless you're not making the payments. So,